It's 4:30 in the morning. Bags are packed. House is ready. We're leaving Puerto Rico. Bye, house. I miss you. Bye, Ramon. So we made it to the airport and we have a while till boarding, so got my Gustos here, my last Gustos. So we had a really good conversation with Ramon, the guy who always drives us to the airport on the way, and apparently he's actually thinking of leaving the island too because as a driver it's just getting tougher to compete with Uber and business is slow and it's just tough on the island post Maria.
Welcome aboard American Airlines. Please place your carry-on items in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Small light.
So we're here in Miami and we have about a 1 hour layover before we move on to Jacksonville, and I'm just waiting for Ted to the bathroom. We're going to find something to eat and get to our gate. Okay, that walk took forever, but I found this cool rocking chair, so pretty happy.
As always, the more zoom you get.
Okay, so we made it to Jacksonville and we actually don't know what we're doing from this point forward. We're pretty sure the car isn't ready yet. It has to be inspected by the USDA, and they told Ted it could take 2 to 3 days. So I don't know if we're going to be hanging around Jacksonville for that long or not. We got to call Crowley and see what the status is. In the meantime, we also don't know where we're staying, so we got to figure that out as well. Basically, right now we're headed down to baggage to pick up everything and figure out our next steps. So yeah, totally winging it in Jacksonville, Florida. Look at this tiny little escalator, it's so cute. I just talked to Crowley and they gave me the same story that they gave Ted, and basically the car arrived yesterday and the USDA is going to inspect it. It takes 2 to 3 days. Crowley can't control the USDA timeline, so looks like we'll be staying in Jacksonville for the next, I guess, 2 or 3 days until we get the call that the car is ready. So I just talked to this really nice lady at the tourist information desk, and she gave me all this information about Jacksonville and where to stay and what to do, and I thought, oh, this like stuff, maps and things. So we gotta go find Ted and find our bags. So we're waiting for the Uber, and while I was in the airport, I had a moment to actually weigh my bags, and my backpack weighs 27 pounds and my purse weighs 8 pounds. So that's 35 pounds I'm carrying all together. Good practice for my upcoming backpack. How do you like Florida?
My sister lives here and I come for visit she, and I like it here.
Oh, good.
It's good.
Do you miss Guaynabo? Do you miss Guaynabo?
No, at this moment no.
So we decided to stay at a hotel downtown because the location is better. You can walk to restaurants and stuff. So we're here at the Lexington and we're going to our room now. We are walking along the Jacksonville Jacksonville waterfront to Ruth Chris Steakhouse because when it was Ted's birthday, we went to that Calabria cruise, which was awesome, but we were so tired at the end of that I didn't get to take him out for his birthday dinner. So we're treating this as his birthday dinner. So it's a lovely walk, and we'll be there in about maybe 10 minutes. Check it out, they gave me a black linen napkin so that I don't get white lint on my dress. That's thoughtful. The strength list is amazing. Thank you. Oh my God, it's sizzling. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Happy birthday. Okay, take a bite. I mean, I know your birthday was 2 weeks ago, but
I know.
take a bite for the camera.
I don't want to be a
Why don't you want to be in my videos? Why? Why? You're so cute. You're my cutie pie.
Please turn
Oh. He doesn't want to be on my vlog. Tell him why. Why? Why don't you want to be on my vlog? They're so good.